Hi, I'm Barb Rosenzweig, and today I'll show you a few little tricks that I use when I am painting a watercolor painting of flowers. For this one, I've taken photos of my daffodils in my garden. They're beautiful narcissus, and I've arranged them here on my paper. So you can see I have used these for reference here, the two together. And then the one up here, I've added one, and I may actually add another one up in the top. There's a little one down here in the corner, just to add a little variety, and it's in shadow. So in order to make these leaves look believable and that they go back for quite a distance, I've added them, and then in between I've put mostly black, browns, and indigo blue to create the black. And then I've lifted, like here, I'm going to show you what I'm talking about with lifting. I've already started lifting it, and I want to create another stem going off to the side this way. And then each time I add water, I blot it. And I'm going to pretend as though this stem were going through this way. So I'll take some more water and just kind of tease it off to the side and blot each time until I get the shape that I want. And I'll continue it over here. When it dries, then I can add color to it to make it look as though there's another stem there. I can put another one down in here. Again, it's pretty much like teasing off the color that's there and blotting it. And then I'll let it dry and add just a bit of green so it stays in the background. Another little trick to make something look as though it's behind another part, I will take a darker color of whatever I'm using. In this case, it's a little bit of mineral violet. And I'll slip it, if this is supposed to be on top, I'm just going to put it underneath here just a little bit. And if it's too dark, I can always lighten it. And I rinse my brush and blot it. And kind of just spread it out with the water so that it looks as though this is way on top of it. So that's how that works. And let's see if this green is, or the green leaf is going to go, is dry enough. I'll add a little bit of color. Don't want it to be too bright because it's supposed to be behind. A little bit more up here. There. These other leaves are very light, so I want to have them look a little bit more realistic and add a little texture to them. And instead of holding my brush as a point, I'm going to hold it sideways and just streak it sideways like that to give a little texture. Same on these. And this may take a number of layers of color to make them look realistic, like these down here. When these are done, then I'll figure out where the shadows should be and add them underneath. So you can see this leaf goes this way, and below it, here's its shadow that's cast. And I'll do that throughout the painting. Hope you enjoyed these short little tips on watercolor painting. Have a great day. And you can see more of my work on Etsy with barbararosenzweig.etsy.com. Have a great day.